Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Step by Step English. This is day 5 of our English learning journey, and today we're going to practice 100 daily use English sentences. These sentences are very simple, very common, and super useful for daily conversations. If you want to improve your spoken English step by step, you're in the right place. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and try to use them in your daily life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Step by Step English for daily English practice. Let's start learning. 1. Today is a beautiful day. 2. I wake up early in the morning. 3. I brush my teeth every day. 4. I drink a glass of water after waking up. 5. I like to watch YouTube videos. 6. Learning English is very important. 7. Practice makes perfect. 8. I read books in my free time. 9. I love listening to music. 10. Hard work always pays off. 11. I go for a walk in the evening. 12. She is my best friend. 13. He works very hard. 14. We should respect our parents. 15. Time is very valuable. 16. I enjoy learning new things. 17. English is an international language. 18. I am improving my English every day. 19. Never give up on your dreams. 20. Success comes with patience. 21. I like to eat healthy food. 22. She cooks delicious meals. 23. He plays football very well. 24. We watch movies together. 25. The sun rises in the east. 26. The moon looks beautiful at night. 27. I finish my work on time. 28. She speaks English fluently. 29. He is a kind person. 30. We help each other. 31. I always tell the truth. 32. She studies in the library. 33. He drives carefully. 34. We celebrate festivals happily. 35. I feel happy today. 36. She sings very sweetly. 37. He writes neatly. 38. We learn from our mistakes. 39. I believe in myself. 40. She smiles all the time. 41. He respects his teachers. 42. We enjoy playing games. 43. I complete my homework daily. 44. She wakes up early. 45. He drinks coffee in the morning. 46. We love our country. 47. I speak politely to everyone. 48. She wears a blue dress. 49. He reads the newspaper daily. 50. We plan our future wisely. 51. I save money every month. 52. She cleans her room. 53. He studies very seriously. 54. We travel during holidays. 55. I learn new words daily. 56. She helps her mother. 57. He respects his elders. 58. We should stay positive. 59. I enjoy watching the sunset. 60. She dances beautifully. 61. He teaches mathematics. 62. We share our ideas. 63. I like to write in my diary. 64. She drinks milk every night. 65. He runs very fast. 66. We visit our relatives. 67. I take care of my health. 68. She buys fresh vegetables. 69. He plays the guitar. 70. We attend online classes. 71. I listen carefully in class. 72. She answers confidently. 73. He asks many questions. 74. We work as a team. 75. I respect everyone's opinion. 76. She practices yoga daily. 77. He keeps his promises. 78. We learn something new every day. 79. I enjoy helping others. 80. She writes beautiful stories. 81. He loves his family. 82. We stay united. 83. I am proud of myself. 84. She keeps her room tidy. 85. He exercises regularly. 86. We speak English at home. 87. I focus on my goals. 88. She dreams big. 89. He stays calm in difficult situations. 90. We celebrate small achievements. 91. I thank God every day. 92. She spreads happiness. 93. He motivates his friends. 94. We believe in hard work. 95. I never waste time. 96. She learns from experience. 97. He faces challenges bravely. 98. We enjoy simple things in life. 99. I am grateful for everything. 100. Keep learning and keep growing.